Cup Safety Black Face Mask. Black disposable breathable dust masks. Mouth cover with elastic ear loop for men and women. 50 pieces. Let's get into details and know more about this item. 1. Healthcare use. These face masks can be used for daily protection, but should not be used in high-risk situations. 2. 3 layers of protection, made of high-quality non-woven material. The black disposable masks are skin-friendly, stronger filtering effect and more breathable. 3. Universal design. The extra soft elastic ear loops could eliminate pressure to the ears for maximum comfort. It can be used with ear loop holders for additional comfort. High-quality fiber is also extremely breathable. 4. Easy to use. Hold the elastic bands over your ears and press the metal strip around your nose to create a light seal around your face. 5. General size mask. One size for most adult men or women, also suitable for teenagers. It's a best protection to wear it when you in office, travel through congested airports, malls, bus terminals, party and busy city streets. This is the product description. Item package quantity: 50 and the color is color, black. Product features: 1. Soft and breathable fabric. 2. Magic nose bar. 3. High elastic ear hook. 4. Seamless connection point. Usage method: 1. Pull the anti-fog inner flap up and pre-mold the top metal strip. 2. Position elastic loops behind ears. 3. Mold the top metal strip to the bridge of the nose, then pull the bottom portion of the mask past your chin and secure the bottom metal strip. Don't forget to get into the video description section to get yours now at a relatively cheaper price. Black check mark, package, masks 50 pieces. Black check mark, color, black. Note: 1. After using the masks, try to store it as flat as possible, and do not fold it frequently to prolong the service life of the product. 2. After use, please do not discard it at will. Pay attention to environmental hygiene. Thank you for watching Aphord TV. Please like, comment, share and subscribe to our channel so that you will be the first to know whenever we release a content.